One thing that everybody always thinks about with a pallet loader is that you have to have high volume. Well, in actual fact, no, having a pallet loader just makes you very versatile. So we can do ones off, twos off during the day, and then at night when we go home, we can have a batch running on there or over the weekends. Hi, I'm Mike Thirkettle. I'm Managing Director here at Milltech Precision Engineering. We are a subcontract machining facility specialising in milling, turning, 5-axis, sliding head and high volume manifold production. We decided to go for a Matsuura. I've known both Dom and Roger for a lot of years. There's a lot of trust there, there's a lot of history. We've already bought 2 Matsuuras in the past. They're a brilliant machine. One of the big pushes of Milltech is that we want to continue our journey in automation, and Matsuura are one of the world leaders in that industry. When you deal with Matsuura, you can see right from the start all the way through to delivery of machine and then service from then onwards, that right through the spine of the company, customer service and satisfaction is a core value. And you can see that right through all of the team. From Lee in service department right up to Dom and Rog. The service that you get from Matsuura is second to none, and when you are looking for a machining partner, one of the things you have to be sure of is that if anything was to go wrong, that they would be there right on your doorstep, jumping through hoops to make sure that they get things resolved very quickly. And that is certainly something that you get with Matsuura. So we went for a pallet loading machine because, again, we want to continue our journey in automation, feel that automation is the future, lights out machining. One thing that everybody always thinks about with a pallet loader is that you have to have high volume. Well, in actual fact, no, having a pallet loader just makes you very versatile. So we can do ones off, twos off during the day, and then at night when we go home, we can have a batch running on there or over the weekend. So a pallet loader is not just about high volume, it's also about being very agile and being able to react as quickly as you can to serve your customers. So with a pallet loader, what you can do is you can have multiple jobs set on there at once. We have 90 tools on the machine, so that's more than enough tools to be able to set multiple jobs. So, I mean, currently we've got 3 different jobs set on there, potentially at any one time. For Milltech in the future, we're going to continue to invest in automation. Pallet loaders are certainly the future and where we want to go, just to support Milltech's growth as we continue on our journey.